welcome back to DIY Mama. I'm so glad you're here. It's been a long time since I posted. We moved this summer and we are part e-learning this school year, and I wanted to show you some kids activities that we're doing while we're at home right now. Let's go ahead and get into it. For this activity, you probably have all the materials at home already. You need a cupcake pan, cupcake liners, pom-poms or cotton balls, and a clothespin. The only prep work involved is writing the numbers 1 through 12 on your cupcake liners before putting them in the pan. As a bonus, you can always make a pattern with these before writing the numbers. And now it's time to play. We added dice to make this a little bit more challenging for my 5-year-old, and she used her monkey to help her count. All you do is roll 2 dice, count the number of dots, and go ahead and find that number of pom-poms. Also, this helps with number recognition, which my 5-year-old is still working on. And using the clothespin to pick up the pom-poms just helps with their fine motor development. There are so many ways to modify this activity too if you have older children, such as using subtraction, addition, multiplication, adding 3 dice. So try this out if you're trying to make math a little bit more fun and engaging at home. Thank you so much for stopping by. I had so much fun filming this video. It's so great to be back. I hope you were inspired to try something new today with your kiddos, and I hope you have a wonderful day. See you next time. Bye!